領域展開。私は鉄の味が好きだ。呪霊のプレイヤーもいるのか。So hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Kurourushi's Festaring Life Sword. Well, it's a weapon used by a cursed spirit Kurourushi. Well, if you have watched the Sendai Colony fight, you have known about this character and his weapon. Well, I've got a comment to build this weapon. So yes, I'm going to show you how you can easily make this whole Kurourushi's weapon out of only paper. Yes guys, I used only paper to build this whole weapon. Well, you can choose a different color to build in with. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So let us start the video already. And that's it for today guys. Hope you would like this video. If you do, then don't forget to smash the like button on the bottom of this video. Also let me know in this comment, did you like this video or not. Share this video with your friends and family members so they can also reach this type of content. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button so you can get all of my YouTube notifications first. Also let me know in the comments, did you watch the Sendai Colony fight? Well, let me tell you, it's amazing, like literally mappa cooked. And on the other hand, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in my YouTube bio. You can check it out from there. And that's it for today guys. And till then, sayonara, bye bye.